No, you don't.
Don't lean too hard, buddy. You gotta kind of control the weight shift here.
Look at him, dude.
Yeah. We need to get some sun, huh? We're looking a little pasty, aren't we? Yeah. Let's move into the sun a little bit. It makes the camera better too, huh? That's right. That's right. Pasty.
I'm down with that.
Yeah.
I'm down with that.
No, I want to be a lady.
What's that dog doing? She don't like the water, huh? She don't like that water. Mary, go drink some water, please. Thank you. Give her some more water, man.
Lucas.
Whole thing in there, bro. Hey, style that hair.
Look at that mama. Look at that mama. Hold on tight, buddy. I don't want to be responsible for a lost baby. Baby overboard.
Mike.
Hey.
Baby on board.